In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn your first $200 a day with CPA marketing, and the best part? It's absolutely free. So, buckle up and let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is visit this platform called city.com. This website grants you access to free online courses. Don't worry, it's not one of those shady sites. This platform will actually help you get courses that can be used to make money with CPA marketing. Once you're on the site, click on the free courses section. It will bring you to a page with several categories of online courses that you can explore. Let's use the first one as an example. If you click on it, you'll see various sections where you can select courses by category or topic. But today, we're going to focus on a specific topic, ChatGPT. By selecting ChatGPT, you'll find several courses that you can give away to people and make money online. Pick the most suitable one for you. For instance, this one here, Master ChatGPT for Midjourney in GPT-4, looks promising. Keep scrolling, and you'll find a bunch of cool and amazing courses. Here's another one, ChatGPT Crash Course, the quickest way to learn ChatGPT. If you decide to use this course, you'll see that people can access it for free. Next, head over to your CPA marketing account or any CPA marketing platform that supports content locking. I'll be using CPA Grip for this example, but feel free to use any platform you prefer. Register for CPA Grip, fill out the form, agree to the terms of service, and create your account. Once your account is set up, log in and go to the URL/file locker section by clicking on Monetization Tools and then URL/file locker. Create a new URL/file locker, agree to the terms of service, and click Continue. Once the page loads up successfully, first things first, head over to the template section. Now, I highly recommend using the File Download Locker template. Why, you ask? Because we're going to be giving out some precious courses here, and people might think you're just handing out the download link on a silver platter. This template will ensure they work a bit for it, making it more effective. So, let's dive in. Select the template and head back to the General section. Here's where you need to get creative. Give it a simple name. I'm calling mine C for identification purposes. You'll want to customize these details to fit the course you're offering. For this example, I'll rename it to something like ChatGPT. Take a look, everything is now edited to fit our course. Next, grab your locked URL and paste it in the designated section. Just copy the URL from the free online course website, head back, and paste it here. Easy peasy. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Go to the Advanced section and change the number of leads required for conversions to 2 or 3. I'll set it to 2. Also, adjust the number of offers shown to visitors. I'm setting it to 5. Once done, hit Save, and your content locker will be ready to roll. The next step is to drive traffic to the locker and start making money. Click Get Link to obtain the URL for your content locker. Copy the link, and let's move to tumblr.com. This is a fantastic platform to promote your offers because, let's be honest, not many affiliate marketers are exploiting this gem. You've got the upper hand here. And here's the kicker, you don't even need to create content. Just head to the side section of your account and search for keywords related to your niche. Since I'm using ChatGPT, I'll search for that. Change the filter to show posts from the last week or today. Scroll through the posts and click on Note, which is Tumblr's version of engagement metrics like likes and shares. Find people who've liked a relevant post. These are your targets. Click on each profile, hit the plus button, and send them a message. This is where you can let your creativity shine. All you need to do is type something captivating, like this. Check out this free ChatGPT guide. It helped me grow my business, and it can help you too. Feel free to tweak it however you like. Now, paste your content locker link for those interested in using ChatGPT to promote their business. They can dive right in with this section. Next, go back to your CPA GP account, copy the link, and consider creating a landing page. This step is optional, but if you choose to do it, try a platform like card.co or any other landing page builder. It helps you create a one-page site that promotes your course. If you're feeling lazy, and who isn't sometimes, just use a URL shortener like tinurl.com, paste the link, click Shorten URL, and voila! You've got a shorter version of the URL. Copy that shortened URL, head back to Tumblr, and paste it right there. Hit send and repeat this process for other accounts. No need to follow them, just send the message. Do this for as many accounts as possible. Remember, you'll get traffic from top-tier countries like the United States. Tumblr receives 184.6 million visits in the last 28 days, with most traffic coming from the US, UK, Canada, Germany, and Australia. Imagine the money you could make if people from these countries complete offers from your content locker. You don't have to stick to just one niche, like ChatGPT. Pick any topic you fancy, replicate this strategy, and start earning passive income on Tumblr. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I regularly create videos to help you make money online. Make sure your notification bell is turned on, so you get alerts whenever I release cool videos to boost your income. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.